Yes, Botswana's President Boko Duma has maintained and actually saying that Botswana will go ahead to purchase the De Beers, that is the diamond dealers, the largest diamond dealers in the world. So of course he said that Botswana cannot be the majority provider of diamonds to De Beers, yet when it comes to sell they cannot buy it, so they have to buy it despite of course the IMF warning. So apparently IMF had actually warned Botswana against buying the De Beers shares. Of course it's up for sale, but now Botswana contributes like 70% of diamond to the De Beers, of course. And so far Botswana owns like 15% of the shares there. So the only problem that has been happening, the reason why IMF has been warning Botswana against buying De Beers is because De Beers has been making losses for the past 12 months. Not losses, but it's not been doing well because the diamond sales has been dwindling, has been going down worldwide. Therefore, De Beers has not been, making good profits out of it, and this has actually also affected the economy of Botswana in one way because, of course, Botswana also looks into getting returns from the De Beers. So. Boko Duma has maintained that Botswana will go ahead with buying the shares. Of course, there are 85% stakes that Botswana is looking into to add on the top of the 15%. So Botswana will go ahead to push on with the ambitions to take over the De Beers as a company. Of course, there's competition from Angola, so we're yet to see how this ends.